Hello guys. What are we doing today? It'll be something interesting. So, the problem in the car. The car is 2015 Renault Master. It's like 1.6 liter DCI diesel engine. The problem is with the DPF or particle filter that is clogged. So what I tried to force the regeneration through the diagnostic equipment. What I'm using today is Launch 432 Pro, China clone of course, but it's working nice. So I ran into problems. The problem was that when I start the regeneration process, it starts, car revs up to 3000 RPMs, and it starts the process. It's like starting to regenerate, and then the car ECU just stops it, and it's showing that regeneration process is not complete. What I done? So at the first measurements before the regeneration was something about 20 or 21 HPA pressure at the idle. So what I done? I tried to start at the regeneration. It doesn't run really well, so then I took the car to the highway, put in the fourth gear, I'm revving up 3000 RPMs and just drove something about, I don't know, 20-30 kilometers. After that, connected the diagnostic tool again, and the pressure at the idle was something about 6 or 7 and jumping to the 10-11 HPA at the idle. So okay. What I'm doing now, I will start the cold start. So now we will do the cold start. It's completely cold. We're standing here for a couple days. It starts well. Now let's go to the diagnostic tool. Oh, you see my reflection. Hi. I hope you can see all the things in the screen. So it's transporter 3. Oh no, not master. Where is that thing? Traffic tree. Sorry guys, traffic tree. Okay, ACM. Okay. Please do it faster. Okay. Read the DT errors. No faults. Go back. No. We need read data stream. And we need it somewhere here. We need the pressure of the DPF, right? Sorry for my English. Long time no speak in English. Pressure upstream. No. Where is the right thing? Oh, here it is. Pressure diff. Okay. Cold start. Well, not so bad. Maybe we don't have to do this. But okay, my client wants to do that, so we'll try. So you see the readings, right? It's cold start. So we'll rev up it a little bit. That's our measurement at the idle. It's cold start, cold engine. It's about 6 to 7. It's okay, but I want to see their 0. So my client bring me some interesting things. What is this thing from the WURTZ? It's the special cleaner for the DPF filters. It comes in this, like in this can. It's 400 milliliters. It costs something about 25 or 27 euros. I don't know the right number. Comes with this thing. What you have to do, you have to screw out the pressure sensor before the DPF filter, and put the tube inside. At a cold engine, cold filter, you put the tube inside, and you have to spray whole can in there and leave it for 20 minutes. After that, you have to start regeneration through the ECU. I think we cannot do that because of the thing it interrupts, but we'll try. If not, I will go to the highway again and then see the results. So now we are on the car. Here you can see the DPF. And where is the front? This is the front and this is the back. So here you can see two sensors. One of them, this one, is temperature sensor, what measures the temperature before the DPF, and this one is pressure sensor, and this one also. So the sensor is, oh, I cannot see. Sensor is right here. This is the sensor. So it measures the difference. So it takes the measurements here, and measurements there. And that's how it gets this differential pressure. So we have to remove one of those, temperature or pressure sensor, it doesn't matter, to get a hose in and spray the can. I hope this will come out easy. So now we are under the car again. I'll switch the light. So I took out the temperature sensor. This one. Here it is. Now I already assembled the can with this hose, and it says you have to spray it in. So here's the ending of the tube. It's interesting. It sprays all around. So you have to put it in, spray the whole can there, wait 20 seconds, and then start the car and start the regeneration. So now you can see I touched the hose, it's inside the hole. Now we have to spray the can out. I will not film that, but okay, and then we will wait 20 minutes. So now I let it sit there for about 20 minutes. Let's start the car and see the measurements. 0 right now. Hope they'll connect. And I already started the regeneration process. You see the car is driving back to 3000 by itself. No foot on the gas pedal or accelerator. And here you can see the measurements. Let me focus it. Here you see the temperature from the turbine and temperature in the particulate filter. Here is the process in the persons. So we'll see, but I think it will it will interrupt itself. I think so, because it happened last time. But the main thing is to get up to the temperature, and then I will go to the road test. Yep, and like before, I get this error message. I don't know why it's happening. I think it cannot get the right temperatures because it's only 245 degrees Celsius in the upstream and 167 at the downstream. It should get 400 degrees, but I don't know why. So now I will go to the road test. So now, after the 2 attempts of regeneration and after a short run with something about 3000 RPMs, we can see that we have the pressure of 14 HPA in our exhaust. Before it was 4 or 5. So my suggestion, don't use this WURTZ thing in your exhaust. That's it for today.